Welcome to Rushi Yoga. Today's video about hair fall control. How to control hair fall, how to take care your hair care. I am going to explain here two tips which is available for you. You can use. It's not harmful anything. It will control your hair fall, and also you can get the new hair growth. And who are suffering thin hair, you can increase your hair volume also, and also you can grow your hair longer length. Here I'm showing two tips. It's a homemade, pure homemade, and it will give you the good result. But you need to use daily. You need to use weekly, twice or thrice. It will give you within 1 week 20% result. If you are following 1 to 3 months, it will give you the complete result. Without wasting much time, please like, share, and subscribe. Without wasting much time, let's get start the video. Come here, I'm explain complete how to do. It's a very easy process also. First tip, methi seeds and also 1 glass of water, oil, any type of oil which is you are preferring daily, way head massage oil, coconut oil, almond oil, or mustard seeds oil, or olive oil, or castor oil you can use. I am choosing today tips is a mustard oil. Next is a one spray bottle we need, that is a small or big one you can use, which is your comfort. Next tip is we need half bowl or 4-5 spoons of rice. It's you can choose a brown rice or white rice, which is you like that one, but result is same. Sometimes brown rice will give you the faster result. Depends that you can choose. Are available in home, what is available that you can choose. Next is a 1 glass of water we need, and for this tip simple, very easy also. Let's get start this process of tips. Take it one bowl. In that add methi seeds, fenugreek seeds 2 spoons, and add water. This one you need to soak at least 2 hours. If it's possible, if you have time, at least soak the seeds overnight. After this process, next day morning or after 2 hours, add in a boiling bowl methi seeds water. Here I already added in a bowl. See, this one you have to boil at least 5 to 10 minutes. You will get some thick water. This water you have to boil in a sim flame. Don't keep it high flame. If you are keeping high flame, it will come the burning smell. At least 5 to 10 minutes you have to boil it. After that you will get the water color will change, and also you will get the water consistency little bit hard. It will good for the hair smoothing, and also hair fall control, and will get a strong hair, healthy hair. Where we are getting on head gaps, if you are applying on gaps frequently, you will get the hair growth in that gaps also. You can cover full head volume hair, but you need to use this water weekly thrice. Overnight you can keep it in on head, or within 2 hours you can wash it out also. You can use when you are doing head bath after 2 hours, any mild shampoos, or soap nuts, or organic shampoos, or homemade preparation shampoos. less shampoos, less chemical shampoos you have to use when you are doing homemade packs or homemade applications. It's already boiled water. Next, we are going to transferring into the small bowl to apply the head. This water slowly transfer into the other bowl. When you are transferring into the other bowl, please filter it. Do the filter. See here, clear consistency. You can see water color changed after this one. Cool. Keep aside to cool down at least 5 minutes. Next, you can transfer into the spray bowl, or you can add like this also. Apply. You can add directly bowl to head also. Take some portion of take some water in hand and apply on your head. Otherwise, you can use the spray bottle also like this. Add in a spray bottle. If you are suffering frizzy hair or dry hair, you can add some oil drops. I'm not using present oil drops. Already my head is a oily head, that's why I'm not using. If you are applying this water for head, add some mustard seeds oil or almond oil, anything, and mix it well, and after you can apply to your hair. After applying the hair, massage it proper. If you are massaging at least 5 minutes or 2 minutes or 10 minutes, it will give you the relaxation. And also if you have any headache or scalp infections, all the things you can cure for this homemade treatment. It will give you the good result for you. Please try it once, try it 1 week, and after please drop a comment in the comment box what is you are getting result. Our next hair care tip is a rice water. Here I took 3-4 spoons of brown rice. You can use any type of rice. First wash this one proper. First wash you have to remove the water. Next add some water in a bowl. You have to soak it this 2-3 hours or overnight. If you are soaking overnight, that will give you the result faster. If you don't have time or if you forgot, it's okay, no problem. You can soak it 2 hours also. After soaking this 2 hours, add into the boiling bowl. Next this one, boil it at least 5 to 10 minutes. Will get some thick. After boiling 5 to 10 minutes, we'll get the water consistency thick like a soup type. After this one, off the stove, transfer into the bowl. Without rice, just water only transfer into the bowl. You get rice water like this, and also thickness also like this will get. This thickness, apply scalp proper, and also massage it at least 5 to 10 minutes. If your hair is a dry or frizzy hair, or some split ends if you have, add some oil drops. Present I'm using a mustard oil, just 1 spoon or less quantity, not much quantity. I'm using the Fortuner mustard oil. If you want to, you can take any brand which is you likes. You can add coconut water or homemade coconut water, almond oil, which is suitable for you regular way you are using the oil. That oil, if you are adding here, it's not giving any extra harmfulness. This is also good for you will get healthy new hair growth. After adding water, it's changed color also. I added mustard oil. If you want, you can choose any other oils also. This also giving good hair growth. Within a week, you can measure your hair also. It's a dandruff clearing, and also if you have any scalp infections, dryness of scalp also, it will cure, and you can overcome all the scalp health problems also. If you are using weekly thrice or twice, it will give you the good result within a month. But any homemade tips or treatments, you need to use a month or 3 months, otherwise it's not showing. After 3 months, you will get the idea how your head hair changes, scalp changes, healthy hair how you are getting. You can notice that. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe Rushi Yoga channel, and also click the bell icon. You will get my upcoming videos notification. And at the same time, what is you are feeling after using these tips, 1 week or 1 month, please drop a comment in comment section. If you want further any tips also, please drop a comment. I will make the video and share in a channel. Thank you. You can use a spray bottle also if you want to apply easy way. Otherwise, you can add you can apply with the hand also. Namaste.